Are you blocking emotions? If so, you're one of so many people. But as a leader, it doesn't serve you. And what happens when we block emotions, and I know that very well because that's what I used to do. You see, I was brought up in France with a father that said, well, crying is for the weak, you can't be emotional in any sort of way. But what happens when we block our emotion is that we actually resisting, and then the issues carry on. Rather than when we embrace emotions, we learn to identify them, to manage them, to regulate them in a better manner, and actually not burst out of someone for no reason. You may be experiencing that at work. You may be actually someone that have been on the other end and received that, and that had nothing to do with you. It has everything to do with that person blocking emotions, projecting those issues onto you. And that's how you create toxicity in the workplace. And lately, the last 2 or 3 weeks, I've been so happy that this elephant in the room is being talked about. Toxicity in workplace is one of the biggest issues for well-being at work, right? So you can roll your wellness program, but the problem is that they haven't had that much of an impact because people are not aware of what's going on with them. And that's what I can help with on a one-on-one basis and in my workshop. Right? We go deep through an experience that will actually transform how you see leadership by embracing emotions and actually elevating your leadership, your well-being. You will achieve so much more because of embracing your emotions. But what I teach is, of course, is as you open up, I will teach you how to protect yourself. I will teach you the communication skills and the boundaries to put in place so you can remain safe. Because what happens is our human brain wants to keep us safe. And because of that, we're being run by our ego a lot of the time. Instead, when we lead from our heart and compassion and intuition, you become so performant and have so much amazing results that nobody believed in, like I have in the project management space. And that's why I want to share it with you.